Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Today's video we're going to be unboxing the Mecca Beauty Loop Level 2 box for January/February 2020. So let's open the box. So the box looks a little bit smaller than usual, and there doesn't seem to be any makeup in there, which is quite extremely sad. And there's no card with the details either. It just says to go to the website, you know, to find out the stuff, which is kind of slack. So yeah, let's look at the products that I got. So the first thing is this Kate Somerville product. It is the Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. It's an exfoliating treatment. That's what it looks like. Nothing really exciting. I've also got a hand sanitizer. Great right now with this whole, you know, coronavirus panic. Hand sanitizer is really hard to get your hands on. It's all sold out everywhere, so that's handy. However, I've got plenty of hand sanitizer. This is a stupid thing to get in the box. And the smaller products, we've got this Darfin Paris hydrating moisturizer little thing, kind of boring as F. And then the last one is this Juice Beauty anti-wrinkle moisturizer, and that's just a sachet. So yeah, that's what we got in the box this quarter. I have to say Mecca has really, you know, done a bad on me this one. You know, there's usually at least one, even two makeup products, like makeup minis and stuff in these boxes. Didn't get any makeup. It was all skincare and a hand sanitizer. Like, I feel extremely ripped off. Like, I spend a decent amount of money to get to level 2 and stay level 2 for as long as I have. You know, I had to spend money in order to get this shipped to my house. I had to place an order. I didn't go into store to get it because I don't live near a Mecca. So you'd think the box would contain something better than that. I'm interested, you know, please let me know in the comments, guys. What did you think of the box? And also, if you're a level 2, did you get something different? Or what did you think of this, if this is what you got as well? If you're a level 1 or a level 3, please let me know what you guys got in your boxes. I'm really curious to hear about what everyone else got, because, you know, I think it's pretty unfair that, you know, level 1s sometimes get better stuff than level 2s. Like, where's the makeup products, you know? Like, I think this box is physically smaller. There's no information about the products. And the products I do have don't even look interesting because there's no makeup. Like, we're in this for the makeup. Like, come on. So yeah, that's just my thoughts. I'm very disappointed in this box. Hopefully next quarter will be better. But yeah, this was kind of shitty. So yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.